Stance is wide, planted. You can feel it just looking at it. Those lines gather light, then cut shadow like muscle under skin. Wheels tuck in close, sharp, and precise. Everything about it says.
It sits low and wide, modern muscle with a classic attitude. Sharp creases catch the light along the hips, and the shoulder line sweeps clean into that fastback roof. 20-inch wheels fill the arches.
Sliding in, the first thing you notice is how the dash wraps around you. 2 giant screens, one for the gauges, one for everything else, all laid out in a single sweep. Seats low and snug, bolsters just holding your ribs.
Steering's right where I want it, weighty, precise, and quick to settle the nose. You can feel the front tires bite as we lean into the corner. Dip the throttle and that 5-liter just piles on the torque. Brakes are firm.
The wheel has weight to it now, but it's precise. Every little input puts the nose exactly where I want it. Dip into the throttle and it just surges forward, smooth and relentless.
It's got real weight to it, quick but never nervous. You feel everything the front tires are doing. Dip into the throttle and the V8 just punches, linear, instantaneous. Brakes bite hard but smooth and the pedals.
First thing you feel is the steering. Weighty, precise, a nice on-center tug that feeds back every change in camber. Roll it into the corner and the nose just obeys. Dip into the throttle and the 5-liter wakes up with a clean snort.
Digital slide behind the wheel of the 2026 Mustang GT, and you're greeted by a 12.4-inch digital cluster and a 13.2-inch Sync 4A touchscreen running across a...
Step into the new Mustang GT and the first thing you grab is this flat bottom wheel. Heated, leather wrapped with controls for adaptive cruise, drive modes, voice, and media right at your thumbs.
The car, or 2026 Mustang GT, rides on a set of 19-inch split 5-spoke alloys wrapped in 275-section Pirelli P0 summer rubber. Behind them, 6-piston Brembos clamp huge vented rotors. Up front, a dual ball joint strut with MagneRide 4.0.
Up front, the GT rides on a double ball joint McPherson strut with forged aluminum lower arms and a progressive coil spring. Out back, an independent Integralink setup with a hollow 24mm.
Under the hood, the heart of the new Mustang GT, an evolved 5-liter Coyote V8, cranking out 480 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of...
Under the hood, it's the latest high-output 5-liter Coyote V8, 480 horsepower, 418 pound-feet of torque. It feeds either a rev match.
2026 Mustang GT, pure V8 muscle, sharpened for a new era, 480 horsepower, digital cockpit, and the attitude that made it a legend. This is the icon.
The legend evolves. The 2026 Mustang GT. 5 liters of naturally aspirated V8, sharpened steering, and a cockpit built around the driver. Pure power, pure sound, pure...